MegaModz did not sponsor this video, but they did send me these two controllers free of charge. I am also an affiliate of MegaModz, so when you make a purchase using my link in the description, I will get a commission. MegaModz sent me two very heavily modded controllers. One is the PS5 DualSense Controller, the other is the Xbox Series S and Series X controller. So in today's video, I'm going to take a look at the insides of both of these controllers. The PS5 DualSense Controller even seems to have an issue with the sticky buttons, so we'll be looking at that in a minute, but first, let's take a look at the Series controller. MegaModz uses genuine controllers and takes them apart and mods them and then puts them back together and sends them out when you buy them, which I love because I know I'm not getting some junk controller. Oh, and that looks amazing. I've got to say, I really love the look of this carbon fiber top plate. But what's even more important is all of the buttons fit exactly how they should. They're not sticky, just everything works really well. It's got the cable and it does come with the batteries. I've already taken them out. These right here are 4 LEDs. And then on the back, we have the mod button right here. So using this button in combination with other buttons will do various things on this controller. MegaModz sends a quick start guide that shows you basically everything you need to know. But you can also go on their website and find more information. They also have a forum that you can go on and ask questions from other users, which is super helpful. And these are the instructions to use the different mods. Now I can see where they took the sticker up to remove this screw down here. Okay, let's remove this top piece. And we do have a ribbon cable right down there that's connecting to those LEDs. And judging by the patterns on the backside of this plate, it looks like this must have been paint dipped, and that's why it just looks so good. And there's no like seams and there's no awkward edges. Everything just looks really good on this top plate. Now we can check out the rest of the mods inside. Oh wow. So this button is glued on, and that is the mod button. It's glued on, so it is nice and secure. No problems there. And then it looks like we have the main mod chip right here. Got wires kind of going all over the place. Looking at the soldering work they did, it actually looks really good. So definitely no issues there. The Xbox Series controller I think looks great, and I think they did a great job on this modded controller. But the PS5 DualSense controller, like I said, one of the buttons seems to be a little sticky, so let's get that out of the box and check it out and see if we can fix it. Now on the MegaModz website, you can actually customize the look of your controller as well as buy mods for it. So this is the customization look I went for. I actually wanted to design a controller for my wife, and you can guess her favorite color. I've got to say, MegaModz really hit it out of the park with this customized color on this DualSense controller. Even got purple thumbsticks. I think it looks amazing. We've got the 4 LEDs here and the customization button right here on the side. So like I said, there is one problem with this controller, and that is this R1 button. You'll notice that it does stick periodically when I'm pressing it. So that's what I'm going to attempt to fix today. Now I do want to mention that if something like this happens to a regular customer, there is a process. You just contact them and let them know what's going on, what went wrong, and then you just send it in and they will either repair that one or send you another one. I should just pull this off before I take anything apart and see if we can figure it out just from here. So what do you think? Do you see anything wrong? So this fits in right here. So that would potentially be rubbing. I'm just gonna clean that up real quick. Okay, better. Let's put this back on, see if that does it. Nope. I think at this point, I'm gonna take the rest of this apart so we can take a look at the inside, and then I can get a better look at the inside of this piece right here and just see if I can get a better view of it. And this is very similar on the Xbox controller. We've got the light right here and then the button right up here. We can disconnect the button right here and the light from right here. And then when I lift the battery, we can see kind of the differences between this mod and the one on the Xbox controller. This one has a mod chip right here and also a film that goes throughout the controller, and various wires connect onto that film. And there we have an even better view. Now let's figure out what's causing that button to stick. Comparing the buttons, I really don't see any differences. So what I'm gonna do is just clean up any little pieces on this rail. There is a very, very small raised ridge right here, so I'm gonna clean that up. and then also clean up any of the bottom pieces that I think might be causing a problem, and then we'll see if that'll fix it. Okay, now let's see if this button still sticks. Hey, there we go. No more sticky R1 button. So if you're looking for a modded controller yourself, or you're looking for a great gamer gift, I highly recommend MegaModz. If you use my affiliate link in the description, I will get a commission off of each sale. Again, thank you to MegaModz for sending these controllers out. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good one.